Hi, welcome to Virtual CB1A, and for today's lesson, we're going to have more examples on finding reference angles and coterminal angles. So, meron ako nilagay dito na pwede nating gamiting sheet or guide sheet in finding reference angles. So, if your angle na given is between 0 to 90 degrees, the reference angle is the angle itself. If you have an angle that is between 90 and 180, ang reference angle mo is equal to 180 minus the given angle. If your angle is 180 degrees to 270 degrees, your reference angle is angle minus 180 degrees. And if your angle is between 270 degrees to 360 degrees, it is 360 minus the angle. Lahat sila gawa natin ng example. Number 1, lagay tayo ng angle between 0 to 90 degrees. For example, 50 degrees. The reference angle for this is the angle itself, since it is between 0 to 90. So, ang reference niya ay 50 degrees pa rin. It is helpful to draw representations of your angle to help you visualize what kind of angle you are dealing with. So, this is your 50-degree angle. Since the reference angle is defined as the angle between your terminal side and your x-axis, ang reference angle natin for any angle between 0 to 90 is the angle itself. Now, let's go to the next problem. We have to find a positive coterminal angle dito sa given natin na angle 50. So for us to find an angle coterminal with this na positive, dapat ang ating rotation ay counterclockwise. So this is 360. 360 na siya. We have to cover this space here, which is 50 degrees. So for us to get the positive coterminal angle, we have to add 50 to 360 degrees, giving us 410 degrees. So this angle here is 410 degrees. This is the angle that is positive, coterminal with our given angle, 50 degrees. If you don't want 410 degrees, meron pang isa. Pwedeng gumawa ka ng isa pang revolution ulit. So, naka 720 ka na dito. I-add mo ulit si 50. And that is going to give you 720 plus 50, which is 770 degrees. Meron pa. Tatlong revolution. So, paano natin nakukuha yon? So, all you have to do is to multiply 360 by the number of revolutions n that you want to use in finding the coterminal, and then add your reference angle, theta. You will always end up with a positive angle that is coterminal with your given angle. So, pwede mo tong i-expand ng i-expand. So, si 360, halimbawa, gusto natin 4 na revolution yung coterminal sa kanya. So, 360, i-multiply mo lang siya by 4. Tapos, i-add mo si 50, coterminal pa rin yan. 360 times 4, we have 1,440 plus 50, we have 1,490 degrees. Again, coterminal yan with 50 degrees. So, marami kayong options. Let me just clear this up. Move tayo sa negative coterminal with our given angle. So, sabi natin, kapag ka negative, clockwise naman yung motion. Again, this is 50 degrees. From here, ang magiging mga angles natin ay 0 to negative 90, negative 180, negative 270, and then this is negative 360. So, hindi tayo makakabuo ng isang revolution, nandun na kaagad ang ating angle. So, to get the value of this angle, we have to subtract this reference angle here, 50. So, negative 360 minus natin yung reference angle natin, which is 50. Or 360 plus 50. Tatanggalin natin siya. Ang gulo, di ba? Kung nako-confuse kayo dito, pwede rin na ganito. Negative absolute value 360 minus 50. So, we have 360 minus 50. You will end up with negative 310. So, you have here negative coterminal. I think this is the easiest one. So, negative 360 minus yung reference angle. You will end up with negative 310 degrees. So, meron kang 360 degrees, only that, hindi siya umabot sa 360 kasi kailangan mong tanggalin yung portion ng reference angle mo. Pwede rin tong i-expand ulit. All you have to do is to complete the revolutions here. Meron kang 360. Kung gusto mo almost dalawang revolution siya, pero hindi siya umabot because of the 50. 720 minus 50, kasi nakadalawang revolution, 360 times 2, almost, minus 50. You will end up with negative 670 degrees. And this is also coterminal with 50. Okay? So, I hope that was clear. Pwede nyo to i-expand. Negative 360. Parenthesis na lang pala to. Pwede rin. Ayan. N. So, the number of revolutions or almost revolutions minus theta is equal to your negative angle coterminal with the given angle. So, case 1 tayo. Yung reference angle is equal to the angle itself because it is 0 to 90 degrees. Gawa tayo ng susunod na case. Paano kung 90 to 180 na yung given na angle? Ano bang magandang angle between 90 and 180? 170. Madaling i-compute. Yan. Ang given angle natin ay 170 degrees. Again, kunin natin ang reference angle. Kunin natin ang positive coterminal at ang negative coterminal. Ang formula natin pag 90 to 180 is 180 minus the given angle. So, 180 degrees minus the given angle, 170. We have 10 degrees na reference angle. So, from the x-axis, ang x-axis na closest to 170 degrees is 180. So, bawasan natin si 180 ng 10 degrees. Mga ganito siguro si 10 degrees. So this is 10 degrees. And this whole obtuse angle here is 170 degrees. The reference angle is 10 degrees. Now, let's find an angle na positive coterminal with our angle 170. So, pinakamaliit, pwedeng nakaisang revolution plus 170. So, that is 360 plus 170. 360 plus 170 is 530. If you want to expand by using more revolutions, all you have to do is to multiply it by n, where n is the number of revolutions that you wish to have on your angle. Tapos i-add natin yung given angle na 170. Halimbawa, gusto natin 9 revolution. So, 360 times 9 na revolution plus 170. Ilan yan? So, 360 times 9, 3,240 plus 170, meron kang 3,410 degrees. And you are sure that this is coterminal with 170 degrees. So, ang mga pwede ay 530, 3, 4, 10 degrees, and so on. Madami sila. Depende dun sa number of revolutions that you wish to have. Now, burahin ko lang yung nauna dito. Kasi, gagawa naman tayo ng pang-negative. Oh, nagahang na siya. Pagod na. So, for negative angles naman, again, this is the 10-degree angle that we have. Pag kukuha naman tayo ng negative coterminal sa kanya, clockwise motion naman. So, we have here the complete negative 180 degrees. All we have to do is to add the reference angle here, or 180 degrees minus 10 degrees. Another possible solution, you can use the whole of it, 360 degrees, and then subtract the given 170 degrees. Yung kanina natin na ginawa. So, you have negative 360 minus the angle lacking from our complete revolution, which is 170 degrees. Parehas lang yung magiging sagot. So, 360 minus 170, you have 190 degrees. And remember that we have here the negative sign, so negative 190. Dito, kung ang gagawin mo naman ay yung straight angle plus the reference angle, pwede rin, you will end up with negative 190 degrees. There are many methods that you can use in finding the coterminal angle. As long as tatama kayo dun sa pagbibigay sa akin ng value, no matter what method you use, tatanggapin ko yung sagot. Basta tama. So, the perfect example here is negative, or the smallest possible na pwede ay absolute value of 190 or negative 190 degrees. Kung gusto nyo to i-expand, again, 360 times the number of revolutions, almost revolutions, and then i-subtract nyo lang yung 170 degrees. For example, gusto ulit natin almost 9 revolution. Almost 9, kaso hindi nasakop dahil because of the 170 degrees. So, 360 times 9, we have 3240 minus 170, negative 3070 degrees. This is also coterminal with your angle. Pwede nyo pa yung paramihin. Okay? Yes, pangatlong example na tayo. Paano kung 180 to 270 yung given sa'yo na angle? Pangatlo na to eh. $180 to 270, 220 or 226. Ayan, 226 degrees. Ayan, 226 degrees. That is 180 to 270. Nandun siya sa quadrant number 3. Ano itsura ni 226? So, kailangan daw, yung given angle natin, 226 degrees. Ito siya. Angle minus 180 degrees. So, 226 minus 180, we have 46 degrees. So, makakapag-create daw siya ng 46 degrees with the x-axis. The closest x-axis is the negative x-axis. So, dapat dito tayo magdodrawing ng 46 degrees. Ayan. Around ganito yung laki nung negative, nung 46 degrees. Yan, kakamali na ako. Kuha tayo ng positive na coterminal. Ang dali lang niya. Kasi nakaisang straight angle siya, 180. Tapos dadagdagan mo lang siya ng 46. Yun na si 226. So, pagdating dito, isang revolution, 360, plus 226 ulit. That is the one, that is coterminal with your given angle. 360 plus 226, meron kang 586 degrees. Again, kung gusto mong maraming revolution, 360 times n plus 226 lang tayo. Halimbawa, tatlo. 360 times 3 plus 226. Coterminal din to with the given angle. That is 1,080 plus 226, 1,306. Yan. And so on. Marami pa yan. O, doon naman tayo sa negative. This is 46 ulit. 46 degrees. Dito naman tayo. Yan. So, dito, makakabuo ka ng almost 180 degrees. Only that, hindi nasakop si 46 degrees. Yun yung isa mong pwedeng maging solution. Pwede mo siyang gawing 180 minus 46. Siyempre, negative siya. We have 180 minus 46. It is negative 156. Or, yung kanina pa natin ginagawa, negative 360 minus yung given na reference angle mo, which is 226 degrees. And pwede mo pa to i-expand, negative 360 times n minus 226. So, kuha tayo ng isang example. 360 minus 226. Pwede si 134. Huh? Degrees. Ito bagay, 180. Parang mali yung compute ko kanina. 180 minus 46. 134 din pala to, sorry. This is negative 134. Pareha sila. Negative 134 degrees. Nagkamali ako ng subtract kanina. Next, halimbawa gusto natin dalawa. Almost dalawang revolution. 360, edi 720 minus 226, 494. So, negative 494 is also coterminal with our given angle. Dun sa last, hindi na ako magbibigay ng example kasi medyo pagod na ako. And of course, I think enough na naman yung pattern na naibigay ko sa inyo based from the first three examples. So for your recitation, I will post it then on the classroom. So ang gagawin natin ay give your own example for case 4. Ito, yung 270 to 360 degrees. Kayo yung magsosolve by yourself. And you are going to make a video of it. Ibibigay ko yung rubrics natin dun sa mismong classroom. You don't need to follow my format, yung ganito na gumagamit ako ng board and pen. Yung sa inyo, pwedeng pen and paper lang as long as your video is clear, nakababasa ko kung ano yung sinusulat nyo, and your voice is audible, naririnig ko yung mga sinasabi ninyo habang nagsasagot kayo, that will earn you a good score for the recitation. Ito lang yung requirement natin for this whole preliminary term for the recitation. Hindi ako magbibigay ng sasagutan. Kayo yung magde-demo sa akin kung paano sinasagutan itong item number 4 or case number 4. So, recitation, give your own example of case 4, angle between 270 and 360 degrees. Find the reference angle and find one positive coterminal angle and one negative coterminal angle. Thank you very much for listening and have a good day. Bye!